I'm cooking garlic butter shrimp. That one is my shrimp. Pero, I saute a little bit and then I remove the shrimp. I make the sauce a little dry before I put back the shrimp. And put a chop. And to put it. I just use butter and saute the garlic in the butter. And then I saute this shrimp a little bit. When it's red, I'll remove the shrimp and I make the sauce a little bit dry before I put back the shrimp. And that's the only food I cook today. Tomorrow I'm planning to cook vegetables, but I'm not sure if I can buy today. I need to buy today, but tomorrow I can cook it.